Hey everybody, Mr. Flanders here, and welcome to day 2 of science. Yesterday we started talking about the human body. We talked about hearing, we talked about smelling, tasting, touching, hearing, our 5 senses. And today we're going to continue doing that. We're going to touch more on what certain body parts do and why that's important. Now think about your tongue, for example. Your tongue is what helps you taste food, right? Now, if you didn't have your tongue, would you know what gummy bears taste like? Or would you know what soda tastes like? Well, probably not so much. Would that make you want to eat food then? Well, I mean, you'd have to live, but the taste is kind of the fun part, right? Okay, the Butterfinger looks great, but I don't really taste it in my belly. I taste it in my mouth where my tongue is. And that's the good part. That's the part that we all want. Think about if you're playing Minecraft. Would it be more enjoyable to play Minecraft if you could actually see it with your eyes? Or would it just be more enjoyable if you could only hear it? Well, I mean, it'd be great to hear it, but I want to be able to use both of those things to do it. Because if I'm only being able to see it and not hear it, that's only a little bit of the enjoyment. And if I can only hear it and not see it, again, that's only a little bit of enjoyment. So join me in just a second as we go ahead and talk about our 5 senses and what they do. I'll see you there in just a second.
All right, everybody. We are continuing talking about the body and body parts today. Before we get started, please make sure you're writing your name and the date at the top of your paper. The date is 9/15/20. That stands for September 15th, 2020. Take a moment and get that done for me, please. All right. So, we are looking at this chart here. It says answer the questions. So our chart has our eye, ear, mouth, hand, and nose. And our eye is used for sight. Our ear is used for hearing. Our mouth is used for taste. Our hand is for touch. And our nose is for smell. Question 1 asks us, which body part helps you taste a carrot? Would it be the nose, mouth, ear, or eye? So up here, which body part would we use to taste a carrot? Can't really taste with our eye, so that's not an option. The carrot would get stuck in our ear, I feel. If we used our nose, we could smell the carrot, but again, it might get stuck up our nose. The mouth, though, has the tongue, and the tongue helps us taste. So we would use our mouth. Okay? And number 2. Number 2 says, I use my blank to watch TV. I use my blank to watch TV. Are we using a mouth to watch TV? Our eyes? Our hand? Or our nose? What do you think? Well, mouth, we just said we can use that for taste, so we definitely know it's not the mouth. Our hand, I feel, would be blocking the TV if we were trying to watch it. And our nose would just tell us what the TV smells like. We would probably use our eyes to watch TV. And we're going to write eyes on this line right here. Eyes. Okay? And just to make sure my friends were paying attention yesterday, what are these 5 things called? Yep, these are called our 5 senses because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 senses, and they all help us function as people. They help us see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. On that note, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next lesson. Bye, everybody.